Identify the horizontal or slant asymptote for the function 6x squared plus 5x minus 2 over 2x plus 4. So here I see we have a rational function. The numerator and denominator are both polynomials. To determine if there's a horizontal or slant asymptote, we have to consider the degrees of the numerator and denominator. Here I see a degree 2 polynomial in the numerator and a degree 1 polynomial in the denominator. So since the degree of the numerator is greater than the degree of the denominator, we will not have a horizontal asymptote. And since 2 is exactly 1 more than 1, we get a slant asymptote. All right, so the degree, if the degree of the numerator is 1 more than the degree of the denominator, that tells us we have a slant. Some textbooks call it an oblique asymptote. I spelled it wrong. All right, so now how to find it? Well, use long division. So let's rewrite this function using long division. So let's divide 2x plus 4, divide that into 6x squared plus 5x minus 2. All right, so 2x divides into 6x squared 3x times. Multiplying back through, that's 6x squared plus 12x, and subtracting that leaves us a negative 7x minus 2. 2x divides into negative 7x, negative 7 halves times. It's not the prettiest, but it works. All right, so multiplying back through, that's a negative 7x, and negative 7 halves times 4, that would be negative 14, and subtracting that. And so that would give us 12. So what that tells us is 6x squared plus 5x minus 2 over 2x plus 4 is equivalent to 3x minus 7 halves plus 12 over 2x plus 4. Now, what we need to take from this is as x becomes very large, as x approaches either infinity or as x approaches negative infinity, 12 over 2x plus 4. If x becomes a very large number, that denominator, that 2x plus 4 becomes very large, 12 over 2x plus 4 will approach 0. And so then what we're left with is this part here, this 3x minus 7 over 2, will end up being the important part of the function as x becomes large. So as x approaches infinity or x approaches negative infinity, the 12 over 2x plus 4 approaches 0, and the function, and then f of x will approach 3x minus 7 over 2. And that is a linear function, and we call it the slant asymptote. So the slant asymptote of f of x equals 6x squared plus 5x minus 2 over 2x plus 4 is 3x minus 7 over 2.